Okay, this is Aiden. He's having his very first trick-or-treat at his very first house. He's a dragon, and Daddy is a dragon slayer, I think. And Mommy is mother of dragons. Which you can't see me, but that's okay.
Alright.
Okay.
Come on up, buddy.
Go on up the stairs, honey.
Step up. Okay, step up. Yep.
Go with Dada.
Step up again.
Oh my gosh,
yep.
she's so cute. I can't stand it.
Step up.
Now you gotta ring the doorbell, or knock on the door.
Say trick or treat.
Trick or treat.
I'm not too sure about this.
Say trick or treat.
It's our first time.
My first house.
Say trick or treat. Hold up your bucket,
Trick or
honey.
treat. Give her your bucket. Show her your bucket.
Give her your bucket.
Oh.
Say thank you. He's like, there's more in that bucket.
Say,
More?
No, that's
You don't
okay.
need more.
Thank you, though. Say thank
Come on,
you.
buddy. We have more houses.
Say bye-bye.
Bye.
Say bye. He's so
Thank you.
confused.
How old is it?
2.
2, okay.
Yeah. Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Come on,
We'll
buddy.
enjoy this better next year.
Oh,
Oh, yeah,
yeah.
we
Once he
will.
understands it. Oh, that's